Lesson 1-6, Concept 2, Solving Literal Equations for a Variable. So the operations for solving a literal equation are the exact same as for solving a formula. Okay, you're going to use the same processes, it's going to be the same, you're going to have the same goals, the same steps. The only thing that's going to be different is that your variables are not going to relate directly to another quantity. Okay, t in this case just is a value. It doesn't stand for time, it doesn't stand for anything else. These are just variables. Okay, so in this case I will say that we're solving for let's solve for b. Okay, so if I'm going to solve for b, I am trying to isolate b, so I can look at this a couple different ways. I could either multiply by m to get rid of my division here and move it to the other side, and then divide by t and move it to the other side, or I could divide by t first, or I could think of this as, instead of r equals bt over m, I could think of this as r equals b times t over m. All right, as if this was a fraction. Okay, same thing, because it's all multiplication and division, I can move it around. In this case, with a fraction, it's going to be easy. I'm just going to multiply by the reciprocal. Same thing over here, m over t, cancel, cancel. I'm going to have b is equal to m r over t. And that's it.